guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making egg bites in the Ninja Foodi Grill. That is right. If you guys watched my Ninja Foodi Grill accessory video, you know that you can make egg bites in the Ninja Foodi Grill. So I wanted to show you guys how today. Now, you are going to need your air fryer basket, and you will need the silicone mold, and I have the links for these items in the description below. The air fryer basket comes with your Ninja Foodi Grill. This is separate, so you just place it in there. These store really well in an airtight container, and if you wanted to reheat them, it only takes about 30 seconds depending on your microwave. I just do it in 10 to 20 second intervals. If it's a new microwave, let's say you go to work and you want to microwave it, 10 to 20 second intervals until they're heated, and they taste just as great as making them the same day. So I love making them. They're great for meal prepping. Again, if you're interested in any of the items, the links are in the description. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Be sure to hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button because you guys, we're coming out with new Ninja Foodi Grill recipes every week. And I cannot wait to share them with you guys. And also, let me know in the comments what you guys like to make in your Ninja Foodi Grill. Steak, what is it? What do you guys like to make? I would love to know. But let's go ahead and dive right into the egg bites for the Ninja Foodi Grill. Okay, so all we're going to need today are 4 eggs. So I just have 4 eggs here. Then 1 cup of cheese. And I have some just crumbled bacon. You can make fresh bacon and do about 4 slices if you wanted. But I just have crumbled bacon. Then 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Some tomatoes. You can add a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of veggies to it. That's up to you. I'm doing tomatoes and cheese and bacon, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You will need some type of oil. I use grapeseed oil in this bottle. I bought the bottle separately. And right now what we're going to do here is just spray inside of the mold. Okay. And then I have this brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just anything that you could do to kind of spread the oil around so that the egg does not stick. Okay. And then we're going to just put this to the side right now, because what we're going to do is get the eggs ready. So let me get a fork. You could put it in the blender if you wanted, just to make it faster. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and whisk the eggs with the whipping cream. So I just add the whipping cream. You can add the pepper. And now just whisk this really well together. And then now we're going to go ahead and add the cheese. Okay, kind of just push down and then start stirring. Now the cheese is not melted, so it's going to look clumpy, but don't worry, that's okay. It's going to melt and be perfect in the egg bite mold. Put this to the side. We'll bring back our egg mold, and what you want to do is add your veggies. This is where you would add your veggies, your bacon to the egg mold. Let's see, because this is going to be the top of, I'll just spread that around, the top of the egg bite. So it's kind of, we're cooking it upside down essentially. Just add as much bacon as you want. Okay. And then we just rinse my hand. Okay. Now, we're just going to go ahead and take our eggs and fill it halfway. If you go beyond halfway, I have seen that the egg comes up and it does puff up a lot. So if you want it to be egg bites, just about halfway. Otherwise, you might end up with a ball and a tail. Alright, so just pour that in. And I know it looks all clumpy, but that's the cheese, guys, I promise. And you just gotta be patient and trust me. They're so good. So worth it, believe me. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is preheat, and we'll be back. And I'll show you the preheating right now. Okay, so to preheat, I'm going to turn the grill on. We'll select bake for 300 degrees, and we're going to do for 20 minutes. We'll shut the lid, allow it to preheat, and we'll be back. Okay, we will add the egg bite mold. And we're going to cook for 10 minutes, allow it to cook for 10 minutes, then we'll come back and check on them. Okay. Okay, we're at the 10-minute mark. They are looking great. And I'll go ahead and zoom in so you guys could see. And they look, oh, that was my timer, guys, to let you guys know. So they're looking great. We'll be back. We're going to go ahead and check on it in about 5 minutes. Alright? Okay, so we're approaching the 5-minute mark, and what we want to do is use toothpicks to check if they're done. Now, depending on how much you filled them, they could be done right now. You just have to check with the toothpick to see if they come out clean. Once they come out clean, then we know that they're done. We're going to go ahead and go around them to make sure that it's not, you know, eggy, essentially. So now they're starting to pop up, but you want to just go ahead and first check to see if it comes out clean. There's still a little bit on there. I just want to check to see if it's kind of, you know, wet. Basically that the eggs are still, I guess not cooked, but we'll go ahead and give this another 2 minutes, and I think they'll be done. So we'll do 2 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so we are approaching that mark. I'm just kind of picking to see. Okay, this egg, I don't know about you guys, but some of my, sometimes it's not, it doesn't cook evenly. But this one seems a little bit wet inside, so we're going to go ahead and let that 2 minutes finish off. That should finish it, but we'll check. Okay? Okay, so we're approaching the finish mark. I just want to check that egg one more time. Okay, definitely a lot cleaner. We'll let it finish that 19 seconds, and then we'll pull them out. Waiting. Okay. Now, what I want to do is allow them to sit for about 5 minutes. I know I said we'll pull them out. I actually want to, well, I know, I'm so indecisive. Let's go ahead and just bring them out. I'll just place them on the plate, and I'll allow them to sit for about 5 minutes just so that everything can settle and they can cool down, and then we can go ahead and pop them out of the silicone mold. Okay? Okay, so now that we've allowed our eggs to settle, I'm just going to go ahead and place this down. We will use a plate, and you can flip them really fast, or you could just put them on a plate, just kind of down. And there you have your egg bites. So we'll go ahead and get a close-up of our little egg bites. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and cut into one. And it's cheesy, and it's, you can see the, let's go ahead and bring a piece up, that way you guys can see. It's fluffy inside. If I can get it to focus. Okay, I will get it to focus in the picture, I promise. And that is egg bites in the Ninja Foodi Grill using the silicone mold. You could air fry. I have seen people air fry the egg bites for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. But I also noticed that they burn the top or the bottom essentially. And I didn't want to do that. I wanted it to cook evenly all around. So I did bake and it came out okay. So this one was the alright one out of the bunch, but all of them came out good. But this is how you do them in the Ninja Foodi Grill. If you guys could just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate your support, you guys, for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes. I will be coming out with them every week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment what you guys want me to make in the Ninja Foodi Grill, or what do you guys like to make in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Until next time, you guys have a great night.